Do septic tank treatments really dissolve waste buildup? Septic tanks are essential for homes without access to a municipal sewer system. Over time, waste accumulates in the tank, and many homeowners turn to septic treatments with the hope of dissolving the buildup. But do these treatments actually work? Let's break it down. Do you want to learn about how to fix all your septic tank issues and save a small fortune every year? Click the link below in the description to learn more. What are septic tank treatments? Septic treatments are products, often powders, tablets, or liquids, designed to improve waste breakdown in your tank. They claim to reduce sludge, clear clogs, and even eliminate the need for pumping. Do septic tank treatments really dissolve waste buildup? Here are 5 important facts to consider. 1. Septic systems already have natural bacteria. Your tank is designed to naturally break down organic waste using bacteria present in human waste. Most biological treatments simply add more of what's already there. 2. Some additives can harm your system. Chemical-based treatments may damage the natural bacteria in the tank or harm the drain field. Overuse can lead to system failure or contamination of groundwater. 3. Sludge doesn't fully dissolve. Not all waste breaks down. Grit, plastics, and non-biodegradable items settle as sludge. No treatment can fully dissolve these materials. 4. Research shows minimal impact. Studies from the EPA and state agencies show little to no benefit from most additives. In many cases, they offer no measurable improvement in waste breakdown. 5. Pumping is still essential. No treatment replaces regular pumping. Tanks should be pumped every 3 to 5 years to remove solids and avoid backups or costly repairs. So, do septic tank treatments really dissolve waste buildup? In most cases, the answer is no. While some may slightly improve bacterial activity, they are not a substitute for proper care. Regular maintenance, not miracle products, is the key to a healthy septic system. Worried about your septic tank? Do you want to learn about how to fix all your septic tank issues and save a small fortune every year by using Septifix? Click the link below in the description to learn more. Thanks for watching.